What's up, guys? Today I'll be playing Animal Crossing New Horizons on the Nintendo Switch 2. I think we're gonna start doing the hotel because I haven't done that yet, and I'll also give y'all a tour of my island first. Okay. Let's see, I'm gonna take a tour of my island first. Okay, well, here's my house. It's pink for spring. And then, my Easter decoration since Easter is coming up. Let's come over here on this beautiful pathway. Have like a little neighborhood here. Oh, let's see. This is Pippi. Okay. We have... Oh, our bunny is over here. I've found a few eggs so far. Just a few. Oh. A lot, I guess. Okay. More homes, and then my museum. Let's see. Able Sisters. This little Japanese area, because I love Japanese culture. And then here's a little neighborhood. We're gonna go over here. This is like my little theme park. It's kind of lame, but that's okay. I like it. I think it's cute, and I like the music. Okay. Now over here, more houses. My house used to be here actually, but I moved it because I didn't really like where it was. It wasn't close enough to the town. Here's my pumpkin patch. I have a lot of pumpkins. Let's see. I was trying to count them, but I'm too lazy to count them. Okay. Here's that second level. Oh, look, it's that ghost person. No, bruh. You're the ghost. Okay, I guess we should find his things, little spirits, I guess. Let's see. So I know they're colorful, or not colorful, but they're bright. Oh, here's my little cafe. Hey, here's one. Oh, I need that thing. And I actually have a what's it called? Slingshot. I usually don't hold a slingshot, but I actually got one this time. Would you look at that? Yes, I just got one. Okay. Then over here I have my little farm, I guess. Tomatoes, potatoes, carrots, sugarcane, wheat, and then all these different types of trees. Okay, let's see. Maybe there's a wisp up here. Nope. Oh. There you go. Okay, here is my little workout area, because for some reason everyone in my town likes working out. There's another wisp. Okay, let's see. I don't think there's any more over here. Hey, look at that. We caught, how many? 3, I guess? Yep, 3. Okay, let's continue exploring. Yeah, first, let's get this balloon. There you go. Next, let's get this wisp. Four. I think we only have 1 more left. Yep, 1 more to go. I honestly thought this was going to be harder to find all these. Here we go. Oh, shoot. How did I miss that? Oh. Hey, at least I caught it. Caught it before my net broke. Okay. What was I doing again? Oh yeah, I need to bring this to that guy. Let me bring this wisp. There he is. Would you look at that? Checkered skull pants. I probably already have some, but who knows? Okay. Oh, I have more things to show y'all. Here's like the little plaza thing for all my folks. And here's the town square. This way. Okay, here's my little flower area to grow flowers, but for some reason they don't like to grow. Then here's my bushes to like know what type of I guess season it is. Like right now these grow in the spring and it's springtime. So let's go check out my museum, because why not? Excuse me? Okay. Gonna go this way. I'm not gonna press on every single one. Every single fish. I feel like that would be boring for y'all. Or not press on every single fish, but like press the information button about them. Okay, here is the one that I'm most excited for. Look at that. Look at a whale shark. I don't know what type of animals those are actually. The group of fish. Maybe it's sardines. Hold on. Oh, there we are. Let's see. Whale shark. Suckerfish. Horse mackerel. Okay, and then I think we can find the group of fish over here. Anchovy. Oh. Yeah, they're anchovy, not whatever the other fish I said. Here are these like deep dark fish. Look at those. Pretty cool. And there's scuba diving gear over there. Look, you can see me through the windows. Okay, last area for the fish, and then I'll go to the what's it called? The fossils. Got jellyfish, butterfly fish, and a snail. Then over here, surprisingly, I haven't finished my aquarium. Let's see. Look at that, I have a lot of fish. But yet not enough. So beautiful. Oh, look, it's an octopus. So pretty. They should have aquariums like this. I think that would be pretty cool. Okay, let's go to... I think they're gonna do the fossils last because that's, in my opinion, the most exciting. Okay, literally only have like a few things. So I have one, how many other things? Two. I think I might only have two things in here. 1, 2, 3. Yep, just 3 things, I guess. Okay, well that wasn't very exciting. Okay, let's see. The bug and butterfly stuff. This place is pretty neat, especially at nighttime. Usually it's full of butterflies. But you'll get to see some fireflies. Flies. Let's see what's in here. I think all the butterflies are asleep yet. Look at that. Oh, that's a pretty, I think that's like a moon butterfly or something. Then let's see what's over here. I get lost very easily in these, this one. Would you look at that? I forgot this was even here. Oh, look, cocoons. It's like a laboratory. Let's see. It's a hermit crab, I think. Ooh, imagine if there were snakes. That'd be pretty cool. Oh, wow. So pretty. Okay, let's see what else there is to explore. Ooh, let's see this. Oh, look. In Animal Crossing Leaf, this used to be like the tree, the plaza tree. Oh, look, they're like fighting. I wonder what's going on. I'm not gonna bother them. Oh. Oh, I already been here. Okay. Looks like they're fighting again. How fun. Oh yeah, that thing scared me the first time I saw it. Okay, well, I think that's it. Okay, and now for the fun part. Y'all already know what this is. This is the coffee shop. At least y'all should know. I don't know if you do, but okay. This place is pretty cool. So the dinosaurs here are really tall. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's a pterodactyl. Look at that. That one's so tall you can't even see its head. Oh, look, there's a T-Rex. Alright, that's not even a T-Rex. I don't know what that is. This is a T-Rex, I think. It's pretty big. Look at that. It's beautiful. I'm not a big fan of fossils, but I do think they're pretty interesting. Here we are. If you look at that. It's pretty cool. Okay, I think that's all. Not much. pretty interesting though. Okay. I practically showed y'all like my whole island. I don't have that cool of an island like some other people, but I like it. I think it's cute. Let's see, do I have any fossils? I do, but since we already have all the fossils in the museum, I don't think I'll give them to him. Okay, I'm gonna go check that hotel thing out because I haven't checked it out yet. I haven't done a single thing. And it came out a while ago, I think. Okay, so this is what it is. Ooh, it's cute. And then that guy. Okay, let's go in and check out what's all in here. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh, that's cool. To enjoy their vacations, yes. I kind of want their shirts. Those are pretty dope. I want to... Can I have it? Let's see. I like how it is. It's cute. Okay, let's see. Yes. Room 2. Japanese room. Don't mind if I do. Oh, that's so cute. Hoteru. This like catches the aspect so nicely. Okay. Feel like I have to take off my shoes now. Just kidding. Okay, let's see. Yep, low bed. Perfect. Man, I wish I could speak kanji, or I wish I knew kanji. I only know like katana, I think. I forgot how to pronounce it. There we go. Ooh, I love these plants. They're so cute, but they're hard to take care of. Let's see what else there is to put. They don't usually sit on these. Let's see. Four, that's a good amount. Now let's see what chair what type of table there is. Let's see, a low table. Is that low enough? Kind of. Let's see. What else is there? It's Chinese. What other good music I guess is there? Here we go. I like it. I think it's cute. I think I'm done. I think it's pretty cute. I like it. I want to see the rooms that I have decorated so far. Oh yeah, I made this one. I made this room. I forgot about this one. It's kind of like a seaside room. Oh, I like it. I think I did a pretty good job actually. This is like a 2 people. I think this is like a VIP room, you know, français, and the other one's more simple and homey. Pretty cool. I should go back to the lobby. Okay, well, I guess this is the end. I finished one room. I gave y'all a tour of my island. There's nothing really, not much else I can do. Anyway, I will see y'all, not see y'all, but talk to y'all soon. Bye. God bless you, actually. Bye.